Hey, I'm Andrea Olson with Tiny Undies. These are my brand new WoolUps. These are wool shorties, 100% merino wool from Australia, and they don't have any elastic in the leg bands. This is all just the wool. It's a bit stretchy, kind of just really, really soft. You want to make sure to keep these lanolized so that they deflect the moisture, right? So these are, if you don't want to use PUL, which is what my Tiny Ups are made of, if you want an all natural way to cover up undies or trainers. So here's the undies and the trainers. You can pair these on top of the trainers, for example, and then you have this cotton part absorbs in the tiny trainers, and this keeps the moisture from going from the trainers onto the pants or onto the floor if they're just wearing these. They're meant to be a bit baggy, so you pull them up and over and they're easy to get on and off. You can use them separately as well if your child's not sensitive, because this is very soft wool, but usually we wear them over something. So if you put them over the tiny undies, it could be if you're doing a day trip in a car and you want to have a little bit of extra protection, put the wool shorties on top of that. And that works great. They come in small, medium, and large. You can see that large is like super baggy, right? And small is not quite so. So again, these are made to wear over, to keep things dry. So they can pee in their undies or their trainers and it won't get all over everything else. Again, these are WoolUps for a brand new line.